Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I have an extreme clean with me, and this is only going to be in my master bedroom. This will be the first time that you'll be able to see my entire master bedroom in our new house. We did move here almost a year ago. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments. I will be posting a few links to things that I have bought recently that I'm assuming you might have questions about. So sit back, relax, enjoy, or clean with me. All right, I hope you enjoy.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
If you're enjoying this video so far, or if it's giving you some cleaning motivation, I would love it if you would hit that thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirt. all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
Yes, I am obsessed with the color pink, and this is my vanity. So almost everything I have is pink. And if you guys are interested in knowing the skincare products that I use or any of the makeup, please let me know. I have accumulated quite a few items over the past 18 months. And I used to have really bad adult acne. You can actually watch a couple of my other videos and you'll see how bad it was. And it is practically gone. So if you're curious to know what all I do, then please leave me a comment down below and I will be sure to record that for you.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. You want you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. You want you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash on second thought. Venice by 4th. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. No, 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 no. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's not the one, babe. Oh, you got enough on your plate. You got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe. No, you should've known it's too late. You should've known it's too late. Yeah.
kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
So for some reason, I did not hit record whenever I was mopping. I do apologize for that. But in case you're curious, I do use the e-cloth to mop. I also have another microfiber cloth that I use sometimes to mop with, but I like to use the e-cloth just because it's more convenient. So if you enjoyed today's video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you all have a blessed and happy day. Thanks again. Bye, guys.